Let's take a look at the chart action for Fantom. The ticker symbol, FTM. I don't have any Fantom, but I got some requests for it and I've been hearing a lot about it, so let's jump into the price. In general, it looks like we have a big uptrend and then we're trending down, or we got some rejection up here, maybe like a double top, and it looks like we're trending down. What I'm thinking is doing a Fibonacci retracement from the bottom to the top just to see like where we're sitting at on the levels. And it looks like we got a nice bounce on this 50% level. What I like doing is putting limit orders on that 50% and the 38%, and as you can see right here, we got a perfect bounce right there, and then we were trading in that 38. And so what I would do is if it starts trending down, probably set my limit orders again at the 38 and the 50. The 38 is sitting at around 2.21 and the 50 is sitting around 182, or 1.82 should I say. So like I was saying, we have kind of like a double top right here, and let's do a trend line right here with that double top, and then we could also do like the bottom, and we broke that double top going to the downside, or an M pattern. We could target from the top to the bottom of that M and drag it to the breakout, and it lines up with that 38% level. Looks like we went a little bit lower. Like I was saying, we got a bounce on that 50% level. I guess the main thing that I would be watching is this downtrend. Let's watch this resistance and this resistance and this resistance, and it actually already broke it. So let's drag this one. Let's do something like this. So yeah, we had a downtrend and then we broke that going to the upside. What I'd be watching now, I guess what I'd be targeting, since we broke this trend line, since we broke this downtrend going to the upside, what I would be targeting are the previous resistance levels. The first target I think would be around 2.64, and then the second target would be around 3.15. The other thing you can maybe watch is we have support right here and support right here. Let's do an uptrend like this until we break this uptrend going to the downside. Then I think this is really the trend line that we're watching right now, because we're trending on this support and support. Until we break this trend line going to the downside, then I'm assuming that we're trending up and we're coming up to these targets. Like I said, if we delete everything, we have this 9 moving average that came in like this and we broke above it right here. That's a bullish signal in my opinion. If we jump over to the weekly time frame, you can see that we have this 9 moving average. We're getting support on it. Dipped below it a little bit, but now it looks like we're right back above it. In general, I think being above it is a lot more bullish than being below it. As you can see, like right here, we're getting resistance pushing us to the downside. Over here, getting support on it over here as well. Sometimes you go in and out of it and it doesn't really help either way, but sometimes it's a signal. It's one of the signals that we can kind of use. Like I said, I think in general we're pushing to the upside. First target would be this area at around 263. Second target would be around here at around 315.